Now, Shotty Mark, I want you look on the license plate there. I hear a license plate that. Now, the first thing me ever make you know, you see the feds, the FBI, them have your file. And if you don't believe me, watch that video here. Pussy, you think you can come back and drive up Benz and pose up? I'm gonna dip on your blood clot case. Let's go.
We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's off all of me dogs in the streets. I do road this a crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main thing the pain.
My wonderful friends, it's me again, the great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, Shotty Mark, I warn you, I'ma tell you, leave the corner. You understand? You kill a whole heap of people, you kill enough woman, saying you thief do lose their money, you do all sort of fuckery, and you still not listening to me. Cause I heard you're showing up yourself again and you think that I am finished with you. Well, them say who don't hear will feel, and right now that I got happen to you. Let's go. You see, before I'm going at certain things, what I am doing right here, because listen people, Shotty Mark did a lot of things to people out there. I would like you guys and girls to contact me and give me all the information you can about the crime this man did. I know people are afraid to come forward and stuff like that, but we need justice for these people. We need justice for the people them who Shotty Mark kill off. We need justice for the family. You understand? We need justice for people. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. You understand? Please contact me and let me know the crime we him do, and we will take it to the proper authorities. That's what I'm asking you. Now I want to talk to the people them a garden, especially Titty Man and presidential crew. Yo, wanna push him out. Wanna push out Shotty Mark. Cause Shotty Mark a pussy. Titty Man, him rob your father. Him call up on the name. Him do all sort of things too now. I'm not gonna make that boy they get to like that. Push him out and call me and make me know the crime them what him do. Him a pussy. You understand? So, I want to do that. Now, Shotty Mark, long time me I warn you, you know. Long time me I warn you. I'ma say my youth, do XXX, and you not here. You think you can go back and I drive Benz and them thing there and I show up yourself, my youth, and think nothing now will come out of it? You think countryman a joke with you? Pussy? I want you look on this. Now, a long time me I warn you. I want you look on the picture there, you know. I want you look on the picture there. You see what that say? New York FBI office. And me I show you what me tell the FBI them about your pussy. Think me a joke with you? Me don't tell you, you know. It's when me a war, me use police, bad man, thief, obia. Yo, you see you Shotty Mark, me I show you something. I want you look on this right now. Cause the feds know about you. You understand? You think you run away in the Bronx? You think you can kill off all them woman there? You understand? All the Chinese girl. Enough people you kill. The man them over Waterhouse, and you think you gonna get where? Me I show you how countryman blood clot stay. Watch this. Now, me I show you how serious me is pussy. Read that. It says, I am contacting you. This is when me contact the FBI. And me tell them about that pussy. Me make them know say yo, he's selling coke, crack in New York and Bronx 1245 Stanford. His name is Mark Dinal, aka Shotty Mark. I did a series of video on him. He murdered women in Jamaica. He's a serial killer. You need to lock him up. And the list goes on and on. You understand? Let me tell you something. The FBI have your file. And you see me personally, the only way the feds can catch you in a pussy, unless you leave off of the block there. Cause let me tell you something. The feds are come for you. Cause me tell the feds them say listen, me will help them get rid of your pussy. You think I joke, me a joke. You see, wait till when you see that vlog here. You see, when it come to pussy like you, Shotty Mark, me not play with uno. Enough people wanna kill. I wanna expect for wiggle on the way and slime bag your blood clot way through life and think say you go come America. You understand? When people call me and I ball or you kill off them family. You understand? You do all sort of fuckery, my youth. Let me tell you something. Over my dead body, me I make sure the feds pick you up. Cause yo, me give you a chance, you know. You think I joke me I make, but me not a joke. You understand? Me I show you something else, pussy. Now, believe me never want to do this in my youth. You understand? But, you see, the way how you go on, like how you run things, pussy, this is America. This is not Jamaica. You and your crew can run things in America, batty boy. You understand? More you look on that picture there. And let me tell you something. Them have all your car license plate, everything. If you don't believe me, say them have your car license plate. Let me show it to you. Now, if you don't believe me, look on that. Look on that picture there. Are your car license plate that you know? I'ma make sure I text it to the FBI. I'ma tell them say, yo, are your woman name it in and you drive it? I'ma tell them where you're there. If you don't believe me, read it. Now, you see why me do this? You think say, when me tell yourself to leg off of the corner and I give you a chance, you don't want to listen to me. I hear things say, yo, you're a bad man and this and that. Pussy, me I show you say me a better man than you. You understand? And over my dead body, me not stop until them catch you. Listen, you can go back on the corner there all you want and drive up that. But you see me I make sure the New York FBI field office dip on your case and me nah stop bother them. Me only show your pussy. You see me? You see when me a war? Me war with everything batty boy. You understand? Me I tell you that right now. You see me? Me use everything to get rid of pussy. And you see you now go stay in a Bronx, round a Stratford Avenue, a hideout, and I make money, and I go on like you want to live your life after you kill off all these people. You understand? Once again, me I tell you, look on the picture. The FBI have your file. And them are gonna get rid of you. Now, me no care if nobody wants to say countryman a rat or countryman a informer. You see pussy like this, me no give a fuck. Me a inform on your body boy. Me a show people how to do things. Yo, you see if he was a man, we a do things different. You understand? That wouldn't bother me. But the shit where you do and get away with it, and you still think you're smarter than people, and you can't. No, pussy. This are your Waterloo. And you see me are the 800-pound gorilla upon your bumbuckler back, pussy. Remember that. Listen, Shotty Mark, me I warn you. FBI have your file. You understand? And them nah stop until them get you. As a matter of fact, me nah stop until them get you. If I the last thing me do until me dead, me I show the people them John Public say, yo, you see me keep my credibility. Pussy, don't push me. You understand? If you push me, this is how you get. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Shotty Mark, are you push me now? Me tell you, Lego and you no Lego. This is what happened to your body boy.